Oliver loved to play with his favorite toy boat. However, one day he discovered that his boat was broken. Oliver was very upset because he couldn't play with his favorite toy. He tried to fix it himself but couldn't figure out how to do it. Then he decided to ask his parents for help, but they were busy and could not help him. Oliver was about to give up when he suddenly had the idea to go to the repair world where he could fix his ship. He didn't know how to get there, but he was determined and ready to do anything to fix his toy. Oliver went for a walk in the park with his boat and started looking for a place where he could fix it. In the park, he saw guys playing football. Oliver decided to play with the guys and they became good friends. The guys also had their own ships and boats, but today they played football. The guys showed Oliver where to fix his ship. Oliver and his new friends went to the store called World of Repair, where they could buy spare parts for ships. They selected the necessary parts and went to the repair master. The craftsman showed Oliver how to work with the tool and explained that it was important to learn how to fix things yourself. Oliver realized that now he not only knows how to play and control the ship, but also knows how to repair it. He was very happy and grateful to his new friends. Oliver and his friends decided to test the refurbished ship on a lake in the park. They met there in the morning when no one else was there. The lake was quiet and calm, and the water was smooth as a mirror. The guys were also with their ships. They sent their ships to the water and began to sail along the coast. They watched the ducks that swam around them and the fish that swam by. Oliver showed his friends how to steer the ship, and they began to change place so that everyone could feel like the captain of the ship. They passed through narrow channels and stopped on a small island where they lit a fire and grilled. They spent several hours there enjoying a beautiful view of the lake and communication with each other. After lunch, they continued their journey along the lake, swimming along the shore and enjoying the beauty of nature. They noticed the other people appear on the lake, who also went to the water in their boats and kayaks. At the end of the day, Oliver and his friends returned home tired but happy. They noticed that they had a fun and interesting day and also learned how to control their ship on the lake. Oliver realized that when you know how to repair your things, you can go on any trip and experience new adventures, even on the lake and the park. Oliver and his friends continued to play with the ships every day, but as time went on, the ships began to break down often. Oliver decided to go to ship repair courses to learn more about ships and their repair, and the courses Oliver learned a lot about different types of ships, the history of shipbuilding and repair techniques. One day, Oliver learned that a ship modeling competition will be held in the city. He decided to enter the competition and create his own ship model. He used all his knowledge and experience to create the perfect ship model. On the day of the competition, Oliver was very excited, but he was ready to show his ship and talk about it. Oliver presented his ship design and spoke about his experience and knowledge in the field of shipbuilding, and the jury was impressed by his professionalism. When the jury announced the result, Oliver was happy to know that his ship model had won first place. He was proud of his achievements and grateful to his friends and teachers for their help and support. That's how, because one of ship failure, Oliver turned into an expert in shipbuilding. Later, Oliver created and invented many ships that still serve to the day, and it all started with a simple breakdown of the ship and desire to repair the ship.